We're getting our hands on Motion Clock. This handy UFO may revolutionize how you use Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro and After Effects by adding time tracking into the mix. Before we dive in, I've already set up the ZXP installer from escripts.com and installed the ZXP file, so we're good to go on that front. Alright, let's fire up After Effects and kickstart a new project. I'm calling it My Project. To get Motion Clock into the game, we'll cruise up to Window, hit Extensions, and there's our buddy, Motion Clock. Let's dock our pal right in the workspace. Here's the thing, when we start, Motion Clock tags our project as ongoing, right off the bat. Now, you can flip it over to Archive if that's your jam, and we'll understand why you might want to do that a little later. First, check out this magic button that says, Export Data as CSV. Let's give it a push. Boom! We're out of After Effects and over on the desktop, where we find our shiny new CSV file. We'll drop it into Google Sheets and see what it tells us. And what do you know, it's got all the juicy details. What app did we use? How long did we spend? It's all there. Let's create a new test project and check these export options. We already saw the spreadsheet, so let's try the Export as Bar Chart button. The graph shines when you've got a bunch of projects humming along in all 4 apps. Let's crank up Premiere, Illustrator, and Photoshop, dock Motion Clock, and get down to business. After 2 full minutes, we say goodbye to Premiere Pro and hello to After Effects for a bit of bar chart action. And voila! Here's our bar chart, all ready to be admired in a browser. Each horizontal line tells us how long we spent on each program. But hey, what if we've got like 30 projects on that chart? How are we gonna figure out which bar is which? No sweat, folks. If we go for the spreadsheet export again, we get the list of all software and project files. Each session gets its own column and a status column to see if a project is archived. Want to hide the archived ones? No problem, just filter them out. Now, let's say you're bouncing between projects in After Effects or flitting from one tab to another in Photoshop. Our little dynamo stays on your tail and keeps track of every precious second you spend on your projects. Whether you're working in Illustrator, Premiere Pro, or any other supported Adobe application, this holds true. And get this, even if you're multitasking like a pro, hopping between apps or tabs, Motion Clock keeps everything organized. That's it for now. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and until next time, keep those projects ticking.